Assalamu alaikum to all of my YouTube family. I hope you all are good and doing well. So today's recipe we are going to make a simple yogurt raita which is made by very simple ingredients, easy to make and make in only 5 minutes. I hope you all like this recipe. So basically yogurt raita is liking to eat with any food. For example, with biryani, korma, kofte, in any dishes it is really like to eat, mostly on Pakistan. So if you want to make it, you just need to follow a simple ingredients to make it. You can follow it by step and then you can make this simple raita. If your any food got so many salty, you can add this and then you can balance the recipe taste, and this is make up gonna 100% result. So we can see how to make it this simple yogurt raita. First of all, the main in the basic ingredient in this recipe was yogurt. I got yogurt half kg, and now the important role of this recipe, the important step of this recipe is want to mix this yogurt very well in the gut, because if we not mix it, they can got so many lumps on it that we don't need it, and if we mix it, it got a very better result in your yogurt raita. Now you can see that I will mix it very well like this. You also want to make it like this. Clearly the yogurt look very creamy and it is got a very good batter mixture result. Next, on another second step, we have some vegetable and spices. Let's see which one is it. So first of all, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I have cucumber one, which was I cut in small cube sizes, look pretty nice. I have tomato 2 large, which was I cut in a little big cube sizes. Next, I have onion 2 medium very small cube sizes, I cut it. Nextly, I have coriander and mint leaf. So I add mint only 1 tablespoon because it is very strongest in taste, and on the coriander leaf I just added 2 tablespoons. Next, if you have children and it is don't like spicy things and it is very spicy for the children, that you can leave and skip this, but I like it, so I was just adding a green chili. Next, I have zira. I roasted this zira for 1 minute and not make it powder, because if we make a zira powder, it's not good for our yogurt raita color. Now I added only 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Now we mix it. Nextly, I have salt. You can add it for a taste, because I only ate 1 tablespoon. If your any dishes got very so much salty, so you can, for balance your recipe taste, you can not add a salt on it, then you can got a balance on your taste on your dishes. So this is the main basic why that we make a yogurt. Now we just mix it. So now friends, you can see clearly the simple yogurt raita was ready. We just want to mix it and it is ready. It is made by only 1 minute or 2 minutes it takes to make. You can also try it in your home. You can also like it, I hope. And if you like my recipe, you can tell me in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed me and don't join my YouTube family, so why are you waiting for? Hurry up, do fast, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then you can get a new latest videos from my channel, and it is free of cost. So hurry up, subscribe my channel, make my YouTube family member. If you like this recipe, you can tell me in the comment box. Meet you in the another like this amazing recipe. As for long as Allahfiz.